Alright everyone, so we're logged in, we've created our gradebooks. If I click up here on the gradebook button, it shows me my separate gradebooks. I can select one, and there's nothing there. There's nothing there because there are no categories. It also, right here, you have students to be added or dropped from your gradebooks. So you want to click on that, and if you look at the enters, you have all these different periods. You have students going into first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period. What you want to do is right click on that. Click on that, and it'll say add all students. If you click on enters, you can also add all students. So you can do it by the period, and that way you could go in here, and if you don't want Jason Bach in your class, you can say do not add. You can go to this person, do not add. That way you can go into each period and do it, by add or do not add. What I would suggest doing is just clicking on enters and saying add all students. And it asks, are you sure you want to add all the students? Yes. And that should enter every student in all of your classes. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of there. And there we go. First period, second period, third period are all added. So just go in and click on the enters and add all the students, and your classes will be populated. Later on we'll show you how to delete students if you need to delete them. Now we've got students in there. We need to add categories such as assignments, homework, tests, quizzes, projects, things of that nature. You have to do that before you can use the gradebook. I'm also going to show you a way to link these all up, and if you'd like to do it all in one fell swoop. Let's say you do the same for each of your classes, assignments, tests, whatever it may be. You can do it all at once. You can also come back and change singular issues later on, but for right now we're going to go into the link gradebooks, and I'm going to link them all. I'm going to go right here and make this one. I'm going to do that for all my gradebooks. Right here in this group number, I'm going to make this one. So all these gradebooks are now one. So this will be good if you have 3 history classes and you want to add an assignment and adds it in all 3. What you'll do is you'll make a group. Like my honors histories could be number 2. These will both have 2's there. And when I add an assignment in this class, it will automatically be added in this class. But for right now, I made them all 1. And now I'm going to go into add edit, and I'm going to go right here to add category. So I went add edit. It doesn't matter which gradebook I'm in because they're all linked. I can do the 6th period. Remember, I just linked them all. Also, you can use this link gradebooks right here, and it shows you, look, they're all in the same group. 5 items, my 5 classes all have 1. So when I go in here and use this little add category, I click on it. Here's my categories. I can do weighted scoring if I want with percentages of grades. I'm going to do homework. And that's 20%. Hit tab. Here's a new one. I'm going to do tests. And that's, let's say, 40%. I'm going to do essays because this is for history class. I don't know. That's 30%. And let's say participation. That's 10%. You can set this up however you would like. Remember, doing it this way with the linking, these categories are going to be the same in every class. I've also got the percentage of the grades already set up. Look, it's not 100%. Well, let's see if I get out of there. Is that now 100%? Yes, so now it had me a warning there before. So now it's 100%. I'm going to go here and save. And if you look, there's a category there. If I click on 4th period, categories. If I click on 3rd period, this little arrow over here, same categories. 2nd period, same categories. 1st period, all the same categories. Now, if I want to, well, what you are going to want to do is go here now to the link gradebooks, and you're going to want to unlink these. 1st period history, we can make that a 1. We'll make this guy a 2. We'll make honors, this honors world history. We'll make this a 3. and then these fourth period honors history and sixth period, they're the same. So we're going to make those guys a 4, each of those a 4. So what that does is if I enter an assignment in this class, it's going to automatically be entered in this class. If I change a category in this class, it's going to automatically change in this class. So we did our categories. Now let's say first period, I didn't like that category. I didn't like the assignments. I want to go back in there. I have homework, tests, essays, participation. Let's say I only want to make tests worth 20% in this class. And look, oh, it's only 80%. And then I want to do, let's just say presentations, and make that worth 20%. So I can do that. I save it, and now it's saved. See, I have presentations now in my first period. Let's say for second period, but look, there's no presentations because I unlinked them. But here's fourth period. Let's go to fourth period. Remember, fourth and sixth are still linked. So if I go into fourth period and I change participation to 5%, and I do let's say I do, I don't know, presentations here, and I make it 5%. So I change that for fourth period. Look, for sixth period, it also changed because remember, fourth and sixth are still linked. I can tell because if I click on that link, they're both in the same group. Everything else is singular. This is in the same group. That's going to be important if you have similar classes. If you have Algebra 1, you're going to want the same categories. You're going to want an assignment in third period Algebra 1 to also be entered in fourth period Algebra 1. With this initial step, you're saving yourself a lot of work down the line. That's it for adding categories and adding linking grade books. And until next time, bye-bye.